Welcome to BookLuv channel. Today we shall learn about mathematics. The study of numbers, forms, and patterns is known as maths. One of the oldest and most significant topics in history. The Greek term mathema, which means knowledge, is where the word maths originates. The study of numbers, forms, and patterns is known as maths. Maths is a crucial component of schooling, and many occupations demand it. For thousands of years, people have used mathematics to find solutions and produce discoveries. Maths is now a necessary component of schooling, and many jobs require it. Although maths might be difficult, it can also be rewarding. Learning arithmetic can improve your ability to think clearly, comprehend the world around you, and solve difficulties. Maths is an international language that can be used to convey ideas amongst individuals from different cultures. Maths is a difficult topic, and there are always new methods to approach issues. Gaining knowledge of a challenging idea or receiving the right response can be satisfying. Maths is crucial because it imparts the ability to reason logically and solve issues. It can be used as a communication tool as well. BookLuv recommends the following books on mathematics. Handbook of Mathematics by Arihant experts. Discrete Mathematics and its Applications by Kenneth H. Rosen and Dr. Kamala Krithivasan. Problems in Mathematics v. Govorov, P. Dybov, and Miroshin and S. Smirnova. An Introduction to Mathematics by Alfred Whitehead. We appreciate you watching this video. This video was made to inspire you to pick up a copy of the book and start reading it. The BookLuv channel promotes reading books all across the world. If you'd want to, you can comment below. Would you like to see more fantastic videos? On the playlist, click. Join the BookLuv channel by subscribing. Until next time, happy reading.